In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a blank screen in CapCut PC. If you want a clean title card at the beginning, a short pause to separate scenes, or a moment for text to breathe, the simplest method is to create a small empty gap in your timeline. In CapCut for PC, that empty space automatically plays as a solid black screen, so you don't have to import any special graphics. When you first drop clips onto the main track, CapCut snaps them tightly together. That behavior is controlled by the track magnet. To create a gap, move your attention to the small shortcut icons just above the right side of the timeline. Look for the magnet symbol that says "Turn off main track magnet" when you hover over it, and click it. With the magnet disabled, clips will no longer lock to each other. Now click and drag your video clips apart to create space wherever you want the pause. As soon as you let go, you'll see an empty section on the main track. During playback, that section will display as a clean blank black screen, perfect for a breathing room between moments or for introducing a chapter. This blank area is also ideal for titles and on-screen text. Simply drop your title or text layer so that it sits directly over the empty space. Because there's no footage beneath it, your audience will see the text over a clean black background, making it easy to read and professional looking. After you've finished adjusting the gap and placing any titles, it's a good idea to turn the magnet back on. Click the track magnet icon again to re-enable snapping. This locks your main video clips back into place, so they won't accidentally drift when you continue editing. Leaving the magnet on during most of your edit helps keep everything aligned and saves time. A couple of quick tips for cleaner results. Make your gap only as long as you need so the pacing stays tight, and preview the transition a few times to confirm the pause feels natural. If you plan to add music, check that the blank screen lines up with the beat for a polished touch. And that's it. Perfect gaps and custom title spaces made easy. You're all set to add blank screens to your CapCut projects on PC quickly and confidently.